Prime your eyelid using a couple of drops of the concealer. Blend it out. Make sure you have a nice, even base. Like such. Grab some of your eyeshadow on your brush and start at the lid and just tap along the lid. All we're doing is building the color back and forward on the lid. Keep tapping. Now that you've got it a nice base on the lid, take the end of the brush like that, and then you're going to tap along your crease very lightly.
One fluid motion, backward and forward, and all you're doing is tapping.
And once you've built that color up to the nice intensity that you want, you're going to very lightly just rub the edges, and that will blend out your edges. And all I'm doing is very lightly touching my skin, rubbing the edges. And slightly going up as I rub the edge. And again, I'm barely touching my face or my eye. And there you have it. One eyeshadow, one brush, blended out. Not too bad, huh?